Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix internet works only after restart on Windows 11,10. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Run commands one by one. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn of this device to save power. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.